Housing and town planning. The houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. In some places, unbaked bricks and stones were also used for construction. The houses and rooms built around a central courtyard. The houses and wells, bathrooms and toilets. There was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits means tubes or pipes, okay, conduits were used. The streets had covered drains built with bricks. This shows great concern regarding public health. The houses were constructed other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built from, they used baked or unbaked bricks to construct houses or other constructions, okay. And the houses had some facilities, okay. See, the houses of Harappan civilization had some facilities like central courtyard. See, here there are rooms you can see in this picture, and there was central courtyard also. Wells, see some pictures of wells from Harappan civilization. See this well. These are wells from Harappan civilization. There were also bathrooms, toilets, okay, and excellent drainage system also existed at that time also. See, these the drainage system shown in this picture. There were no open gutters at that time. They have covered drains were built with bricks. See. And all these gutters, roads, covered drainage system shows the great concern about public health at that time, okay. The streets were broad and laid out a grid pattern. Houses were built in rectangular blocks created by them. Grid pattern means in parallel way, okay. म्हणजे एक रस्ता जर असा असेल तर दुसरा असा असणार, ते असे वाकडे तिकडे नव्हते, तर ग्रीड पॅटर्न मध्ये होते. हाऊसेस वेअर बिल्ट इन रेक्टँग्युलर ब्लॉक्स क्रिएटेड बाय देम. घरं सुद्धा जी रेक्टँग्युलर शेपच्या ब्लॉक्स मध्ये बांधलेली असायची. अँड द टाउन्स वेअर डिवायडेड इनटू 2 or more sections, and each section had separate fortification. Fortification means walls, towers built in past to protect the place against attacks. म्हणजे बाहेरच्या लोकांनी हल्ला केला तर प्रोटेक्शनसाठी म्हणून बांधलेली संरक्षक अशी भिंत किंवा एक भिंतच म्हणता येईल. दॅट इज fortification. The towns are divided into 2 more sections. Each section had separate fortification. Next, see seals and pots. Okay, The seals of Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from a stone like steatite. These seals bear pictures of animals. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, etc. and also of imaginary ones like the unicorn. Human figures are also seen. These seals were used as stamps. Okay, there are some seals also found in excavation. The seals of Harappan civilization was square shaped. ओके, असे स्क्वेअर शेप्ड होते आणि ते कशापासून बनलेले होते? स्टोन कॉल्ड स्टिटाइट. ओके, some animal figures were engraved on the seals. Okay, see, here are animal figures. You can see in these seals. They include picture of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, and there was also of imaginary ones. See, imaginary म्हणजे काल्पनिक. इथं हत्ती दिसतोय, बुल दिसतोय, खाली रायनो दिसतोय, इकडे काही ॲनिमल्स दिसत आहेत. बट देर वेर ऑल्सो सम इमॅजिनरी, जे अस्तित्वात नाहीत असे सुद्धा काही वेळेला ॲनिमल्स सील्सवरती पाहायला मिळत होते, जसं युनिकॉर्न. अँड व्हॉट वेअर द सील्स यूज्ड फॉर? The seals used as stamps at that time. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavation sites of Harappan civilization. There were also some earthen pots also found at excavation sites of Harappan civilization. There are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black color. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc. The Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. As there were some seals found, there were also found some earthen pot remains. Okay, काही फुटलेल्या भांड्यांचे सुद्धा अवशेष सापडले. रिमेन्स म्हणजे अवशेष. Also found in excavation. What patterns were seen on Harappan pots? Fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, flowers, animals, etc. Okay, terracotta means red ceramic clay. What did they use to bury with dead bodies? They used to bury with dead bodies earthen pots like this. See,